Finally,
Further
I
tell
think
us how long can we actually continue without trains now? And this is a situation of at least this is some relief that we can hear from you that at least farmers are not panicked right now. But after
right
how
now,
many
no.
days you think
But I think,
we need to press a
I
panic
think
button?
after, yeah, I think after Sunday it will be panic season. If we don't get the rain on Sunday, okay, we need one good shower, say about 20 minutes a day from Sunday onwards. If not, we will also have to stop planting from Sunday onwards. Okay, and then the advantage of mechanical transplantation, we can do replantation in a fast and quick method, provided we have all our machinery and all in. So suppose fields get destroyed and then the monsoon comes too late, those fields which we have planted could be replanted again. Okay, so that is an advantage of the machinery and what mechanization offers. But it's to a limit. But those going by traditional methods, they are having it awful difficult because the nursery itself is not being able to sustain wherever they are planted. Yeah, that's the situation. Okay.
So we need not panic till Sunday at least, and
Sunday.
it should rain
This
after
Sunday.
Sunday.
This Sunday. Yes. Okay. After
Okay.
Sunday, I think we'll have to press the panic button. Okay. Because we will also not be able to operate. Okay. We have raised a nursery enough for about 8 lakh square meters at the moment. Okay. The nursery is ready, but the fields are waiting for the rain.
तुम्ही पळतात GNH.